This is our second video on graphing parabolas, and this one will go through graphing in vertex form. There's two forms that we write quadratics in. One is called standard form, and this is called the vertex form. The vertex form is a little easier for getting started on graphing. And the vertex form has f of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k is the format. And in this format, the h and the k stand for your vertex. So the vertex is going to be h, k. Now, it's important to notice that in the standard form of this, there's a plus in front of the k and a minus in front of the h. So here's the equation that we're going to graph. X minus 3 squared minus 5. Since it's minus 3, my h value is positive 3. And since it's minus 5, instead of plus, the form is plus k, it's going to be negative 5. So that will be my vertex. I like to have a little xy table here, and we'll just start with putting the vertex on first. Kind of keep a table of the points at the same time that we graph the points. So I'm going to find 3 and then go down to negative 5. 3, 4, 5. So there's my vertex. Looking at the A, and the A in the vertex form operates the same in a similar way to the A in the standard form. If it's negative, it tells us the graph's going to go down. If it's positive, like it is in this case, because there's nothing there, so it's an invisible 1. We'll put the 1 in there. We know our graph's going to go up. So I know that my vertex is going to be my minimum point. And then my system is to usually go a few points either side of the vertex and pick a value. So let's go over 2 points, right? So 2 to the left of 3 is going to give me 1. And then if I plug that 1 in here, I can figure out my next point. So I'll have 1 minus 3 squared minus 5. I can find the y value. So negative 2 squared minus 5. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. 4 minus 5 will give us negative 1. So I'm going to go over here to negative 2 and up all the way up here to negative 1. And then, so my point is 1, negative 1. Okay, and now I'm going to go 2 points over this way. From 3 would give me 5. And if I plug 5 in, I would get positive 2. 2 squared minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So I get the same value. That's using that symmetric property. So let's put those coordinates. 5, negative 1, and 1, negative 1. And that's really enough to give us the sketch of the parabola. And there's our parabola. If you were asked to find the axis of symmetry, the equation, the axis would be going straight down the middle. And you'd have the equation of symmetry would be x equals 3. And your minimum point would be negative 5. Thank you.